What's up, guys? Still Patronn. We are hiring. Okay. Now let me explain to you what does that mean. Okay, because some of you guys DM me said, "Hey, you're hiring this and that." If you want to leave the building that you're working at, if you want to leave the store that you're working at, call me. Okay, DM me. Now I'm gonna push you to do your job. What does that mean? Okay. If you're boring, if your job is boring, if you work at a dealership that doesn't give you any growth and it doesn't give you any challenges, then you're just boring. And that's the reason why you're watching this video, and that's the reason why you're gonna call me. Okay? Because you want to work for somebody that's gonna challenge you. Okay? It's gonna push you every day. It's gonna make your productivity every day. It's gonna make you accountable for your actions. Same thing that I do to myself, Bob does to me. And we're accountable for each other. So if you look for a challenge, listen. If you're looking for the money and you're just chasing the money, I'm the wrong guy. So don't call me, okay? But if you're looking for an opportunity to grow within the company, if you're looking for an outside the box kind of the way we run the operation here, it's take a special kind of person to work here, okay? This store is special. As much as I want to say it, it is a special place to work. Not everybody can make it. But if you make it here, I can guarantee you have a future for life, okay? So all jokes aside, if you're really interested in an opportunity, reach out to me. Let's sit down. Let's grab a cup of coffee. Come in, stop by, so see the operation. And we have 1,000 cars available. We are growing. All right, we got a new franchise coming. We got a lot, man. So, but we're looking for long-term players. We're not looking for short-term players. We're looking for somebody that is looking to grow within the company and put in and show what you're made of and show what you can do, so we can do it together as a team. That's the only way that I work, and that's the only way I'm gonna make you work. It's as a team. So if you're a team player and you want to just come in and help us get that championship at the end of the year, this is the place for you. All right. So operating is standing by. I'm gonna say that because I always say that, and then hit me up. Let's go. 2019 10x.